MAT123, a competition organised by London Sunday Times, called for a monument ideas to mark up upcoming Millennium celebration. A husband and wife who are British architect from Marx Barfield Architect, Julia Barfield, and Max David, designed London Eye. The original name was Millennium Wheel. The turning of the wheel was meant to represent the turning of the century.
It was located on the south bank of the River Thames in Lambeth, London. The structure of the London Eye is 135 meters tall, which is 443 feet tall, and the wheel has a diameter of 120 meters, which is 394 feet. The total weight of the steel of the London Eye is 1,700 tons. The London Eye has 32 passenger capsules, sealed and air-conditioned, 8 meters long and 4 meters in diameter.
The building has 3 structures that can be calculated, such as the wheels, the capsules, and the big tapered legs. So here are the calculations that we got. There is also a question that we can develop from the measurement of the London Eye, which is, firstly, we can find the circumference and the area of the wheel by using the formula of circle 2 pi r and pi r squared, since the wheel is in a circle shape. And since the diameter of the wheel is given, which is 120 meter, we can say that the radius is 60 meter. So substitute the value of r and we will get the answer. Each capsule has a capacity of 25 passengers. If every capsule was full, how many passengers can travel on the London Eye at the same time? So the solution is, since the London Eye has 32 capsules and the duration for a complete rotation takes about half an hour, the number of passengers can travel at the same time for an hour will be 1,600 people. From the statement, 2 large tapered legs at the base 20 meters apart and each over 58 meters in length, the figure will be like this. So since all sides are given, we can find its area by using the formula of area of triangle, where S is half times sum of all sides, and the answer will be 571.31 meters squared. The capsules are in shape of 2 hemispheres and a cylinder. Since the length and the diameter of the capsule are given, we can use it to find the circumference, surface area, and the volume of the capsule. The side length A is calculated by minusing the r, which is 2 meter, and the answer will get 4 meter. For its circumference, we can use the usual formula 2 pi r and the answer will be 12.5664 meter. Meanwhile, for the surface area, we can use this formula, which was derived from the lateral area of cylinder and the area of 2 hemispheres. For its volume, we can use the formula pi r squared times 4 over 3 r plus a, which was derived from the volume of 2 hemispheres and the volume of cylinder, and we will get the answer.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. So our second case is cake. So there is a long history of the word cake. The term itself, it came from the Old Norse word, which is from the Viking origin. The word is kaka, and then in the ancient Greeks, they invented leavener that made from beer and made cheesecake from goat's milk. And then meanwhile, in ancient Rome, a simple bread dough was enriched with butter, eggs and honey, which created a sweet and cake-like baked good. Next, in Malaysia, one of the biggest cake company is Secret Recipe, and it was founded in 1997. Secret Recipe had been serving their customers with over 20 types of scrumptious cakes. All of their cakes are in 8 to 9 inches in diameter and weigh approximately 1.0 kg to 2.0 kg for a whole cake. And then the cake also came in two shapes, which are round and square. This is one of the customer favorite cake, which is chocolate indulgent. It's in a round shape with 8 inches diameter and 4 inches height, with weight approximately 2.0 kg. Well, this is a red velvet supreme in square shape with 8 inches length, 8 inches wide and 4 inches height, and weight approximately 1.0 kg.
Case 2. As we all know, cake have different size according to their respective needs. So, for this case, we choose chocolate indulgence cake. This cake is one of the famous cake of secret recipe. It has a cylindrical shape and it also have 8 inches in diameter and 4 inches for the height of the cake. The cake has a shape of cylinder, so we use the formula of the cylinder to calculate the volume and surface area of the cake. So, for the volume formula is pi square 2h and the surface area formula is 2 pi r square 2 plus 2 pi r h. R is the radius of the cake and h is the height of the cake. This is the answer of the volume and the surface area. The answer of the volume is 201.04 inch square 2 and the surface area is 201.04 inch square 3. Red velvet supreme cake also one of the famous cake in secret recipe, but this cake has a square shape. It has 8 inches of the length, a width of 8 inches, and the height of the cake is 4 inches. For the formula of volume and surface area, we use square formula as the shape of the cake is a square. For the volume formula is BH, P for the area of the base and H for the height of the cake. For surface area is area of the sum of bases plus area of the sum of flat surface. This is the answer for volume and surface area of the red velvet supreme cake. The answer of the volume is 256 inch square 2 and the answer of the surface area of the cake is 256 inch square 3.